How to realistic fabric in Enscape 3.5. Go to Enscape Material Library and go to Fabric section. Then choose your desired material in Fabric. Then import selection. After that, double-click the surface to import the material. Then use Paint Bucket or Shortcut B. Go to Edit section of the Material in Tray tab. This section can edit the color of the material. Go to Enscape Material Editor for more texture of the material. Then go to Sample Paint and choose the material. Adjust it to carpet for more detail and adjust some of the settings. Stay tuned for more tutorial.